We've also got big changes happening in the bathrooms as the solid surface surrounds arrive. Moving these larger panels is a job, not just because of the weight, but the material is more delicate because folks at DeNova have scored the panels to look like they're made of 10 by 15 inch subway tiles. These pieces are secured to the walls of the showers and tubs with adhesive so that the subway tile pattern continues uninterrupted. That's the kind of detail that makes a big difference in the finished look of a room. That includes getting Mark to lay out the exact locations of the electronic controls for the Moen IO digital shower and tub systems before the panels are cut and drilled. Once the solid surface is in place, the tile setters can go to work on the bathroom floors. This porcelain tile they're installing, called alabaster, is a slightly lighter color than the solid surface material that surrounds it. To keep that from getting real monotonous in this large master bath, they're adding a contrasting design detail created with ribbon tiles. Boy, this floor is going to look great once they finish all of the grout work on it. You know, something I've always been curious about is how can a decorator put together all these different surfaces and make it work? You know, we're working with the Better Homes and Gardens design team, and somehow they've got it figured out. I mean, look at this. We've got countertop surface here, we have floor, we have walls, we've got paint colors going up. It's going to look awesome.